As you can see here, my socket drawer is kind of all over the place, but as a lot of you know, it's fun to just have every tool possible if you can. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get this organized. We're going to use some of these magnetic socket holders here from Olsa Tools. Got a lot of tools from Olsa Tools over the past couple of years. They've always been really high quality and really reasonably priced. So we're going to use some of those to organize this, and then I also have another drawer over in this toolbox that needs to get organized too. So we're going to do some combining of these sockets to get one nice area, or possibly two nice areas of sockets. So this is just kind of the before picture. All right, I've gotten my toolbox pretty organized. Lucky enough to have some really nice socket holders, kind of my primary socket drawer, you can see. All right, so we got some nice magnetic socket holders from Olsa, and then several other socket rail, and that definitely lets me see everything that I have in here. So then let's go down to the next drawer. So here I kind of did a situation where I have, you know, my different extensions for my ratchets, extra drill bits, picks, and mini screwdrivers. I also put some screwdrivers up there, sorry for the lighting, but so you can see a nice set of, those happen to be Olsa screwdrivers up there. All right, so let's check the next drawer. So this is kind of my primary screwdriver drawer. So you can see lots of different wrench set up here. Pretty much the majority of these organizers are 3D printed. This is kind of a back stock of sockets. Do have a torque wrench in there. So I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to keep this the same, but we got drill bits, and then we got a lot of hex bits over here. We go to, again, more wrenches, and then a smaller torque wrench, more wrenches. Lots of 3D printing, of course, there. That's right, you gotta have every size. A lot of files, chisels, that kind of stuff in here. Hammers, which I couldn't figure out a great way to store the hammers, so that was my solution for now. And then down here, again, some extra hammers, some super big sockets, and over here as well. Full set of 3/4 inch sockets, some extensions, some really big kind of dog bones there. So that's a quick rundown of my toolboxes. This one is a Husky, as is the other one. Anyway, hope you liked that tour. Kind of shows how everything's organized now. Again, used a lot of Olsa Tools organizers, so thanks to Olsa Tools.